I'm Tracy Hill. I'm with BC Hydro in Canada, and my role is I'm a project manager. Supply chain. Supply chain is huge, and we are really struggling with getting parts and vehicles. So it helps us manage our parts more than anything, just where our levels are at and giving us an indication of when we should start ordering. There's so many aspects of it that I'm not even aware of that would be beneficial. But off the top of my head, the work order management is fantastic and the reporting is fantastic. They are a fantastic group of people. Great to deal with, a lot of fun, and I know without a doubt I'll be looked after.